Xavier went to Switzerland, leaving his job, house, and everything behind, searching for his happiness, and spent 300 days alone on an island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Before going there, he took with him clothes, a knife, a medical kit, a satellite phone, and a solar panel to charge his camera equipment. He built his own shelter to protect himself from the rain. He also learned to catch fish for food. He looked around the island and started enjoying it. To give company to Xavier, who was alone on that island, a small forest girl became his friend. In this whole process, Xavier learned to enjoy simple and small things in his life. Finally, he acquired the real happiness that he was looking for. It is very important to be happy with you, even if no one is with you, and he came to tell that he should enjoy every moment in life. Overall, what is your opinion on this Xavier experience? Please comment.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.